For today's video, we have my 2012 Jeep Wrangler. We're gonna be telling you hidden features of this car. Coming in first place, we have this dinosaur. As you guys can tell right now, it's chasing the Jeep. This Jeep was obviously stock with the car. I have a Jurassic Park Jeep, so that's one of the first hidden features, and honestly my favorite hidden features of this car. Coming in number 2, we have our parking permits. As you guys can tell, we have our parking pass. Everything on here is for vehicle number 18. With that being said, even the key says vehicle 18, the parking pass, the permit, everything, even on the side of the vehicle it says Jurassic Park 18. Coming in third place of these hidden features, the winch is normally rated for 9,500 foot-pounds of torque. However, this winch specifically is special. It's a nautical winch, which means it can be underwater and still work. Coming in number 4, we have grab handles right here, we have it right here, we have another one right here built into the dash, as well as up there. And saving our 5th and final best feature of this car by far that I saw on TikTok somewhere, see that we have this mirror. This mirror right here is super useful because you can take off the doors, and normally you have to get one that sticks in the door hinge. However, with this, you go to your local AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever, and you throw it on there. It's like $3.99, and you get a pack of 2, and you can put one on the other side. You only legally need 1, so that's what I did. I only have the 1, but it sticks even with the heat, the water, the rain, everything. With all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like and comment down below because, I don't know, that's what we're supposed to tell you to do, right? Without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. With nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.